So I've had some things already marked in it, and on the daily. See, we were just talking about JASMY. Not JASMY, OSMA. This is a daily chart. Came to the 50, rejected. Came to the 50, rejected. Came to the 50, pierced through it. Right? Beautifully above it. This is what you want to see. Like, I'm not saying OSMA might not do it, right? Because it kind of looks like it did that. It's here and it's just kind of weak. But you're entering it with the best risk management you could ever possibly have, because usually look what happens, like it comes to the 50 and then down, and it obviously every structure is a bit different. You have to take a lot of things into consideration, macro conditions, what the coin is about, it's the all that, you know, when you have those things in mind and you get all that confluence into consideration, and based on that, enter the coin, at least you know why. At least you know, okay, this is my validation. These are my reasons. I'm responsible for this trade. I thought it was a good entry and I'm going to go for it. I'm going to ride it. And that's all it is. Trading is your responsibility for things that you see on the chart, and execution, grabbing those profits. So it's nice because it was obviously coming up here. You saw the small EMAs, really nicely fanning up, and then that strength was showing where it pierced and actually retested the 50. You see the two candles here? This is a daily chart. It came back down twice, actually nearly 3 times, where it just went 1, 2, and 3. So that's a nice strong indication of this coin wanting to stay above and go up higher. With that, like I said, I'll fly through this. Looking at obviously just around this level. I want to be modest with my targets, but then again, just below 70 cents possibly. Jesus, that's not even 70 cents. That's below a cent, 7 something. 0, 0, 0.
It's a fraction. Yeah.
Hate those prices.
What's the all-time high for JASMY?
Oh my god, it's high.
Really?
And, oh yeah, look, it's 30 cents. So
oh my god.
It's
so that is down over. It's about 99%.
Yeah, but all of the things kind of went down that much, like, you know.
How much? 98%. I mean, you know, the crazy thing is it can go down another 98% from current levels.
That's true. But see, that coin,
I don't think it would. You can't rule it out though. Like,
but look at that. This coin, I need to really do more homework on it, but I had so many people talking to me about it. Look, within like March 22, look at this. 357%. That candle alone. And then obviously rejected and came back down. Like, okay, look, let's.
Is that the 50? Oh, sorry, is that the 20 EMA, that yellow line that you've got there?
No, I think that's 13.
The 13.
Yeah, I'm going to turn that off in a minute and do.
It looks like it's coming up to test that on the monthly.
I'm going to do the 20 in a second. So obviously on a big monthly time frame, this is what we're looking at. This is from the all-time high down to the bottom. And then I suppose we could measure it from here. And where are we? So yeah, from that drop, it is on a monthly trying to reverse here and do that lovely trend. I am looking at about, look at the golden pocket. I kind of said it that I think it might do on about 2x from here. And not here. It's not where I want you. Okay, let's keep it here just to be modest with the target. And see from here on. Yeah, about 150. So
nice.
I'd be
1.5.
Yeah, like if,
2.5x. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's kind of my target before if this goes on. I'll be looking for day trades and I'll be looking for scalps on this, because when this moves, it moves. Like you saw the other day, a couple of trades, I was actually in and out of it, I think 2 or 3 times. Shared my trades with you guys on Telegram, on my YouTube, not YouTube, sorry, Telegram, on my Twitter. Lovely. Look at that. And I was hoping this will move yesterday, but I was being very naive. Made a mistake. I got out of it. It's definitely correcting. It's time for it to... And let's check.
Is that a 2x on the low? About a 2x already.
Oh, it did massive. It did amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Fabulous.
Yeah, 2x. Yeah.
So
nice.
Come back down, possibly down to 48 cents. Just down.
Yeah, come down. Maybe rebuy on the 0.5 in the golden pocket area on the retrace.
It depends on the strength as well. Like, you know what it wants to, because I think there's a lot of hype about this at the minute. It might come back down here and then do another rally, or cool off completely down to around this area. Yeah. I'll be doing it level by level. I have my as you can see, so many notifications on this chart. I might I have to get rid of those because they're I think I was hoping it's gonna come down from here back down again, retrace, but it didn't. That's why I have many notifications. Yeah, just what I'll be doing is putting price notifications alerts, because it is extended on the daily. Not saying it mightn't go higher from here, but I would like it to.
So what's the utility behind this token?
Oh God, don't ask me right now. I think there is a lot in it. I have so many DMs about it, lads. It's actually crazy. But I'm so bad to recall what the coin does.
You've brought it to my attention though, so I'm going to be looking into it.
Yeah, it has a big following. There's a strong following for it. I think it's good fundamentally as well, and because of how it moves right now, I'll be keeping a close eye on it. Just like I like my day trades and I like my scalps, so this one looks like a good one. And just something I like to always bring to people's attention as well when I do these is how and why this is my favorite indicator. Forget all those lines for a second and look at the vector candles. Go back. Although funny thing is, that green vector candle, obviously the whole area was reclaimed back all the way. Look, like this isn't very red, but like the same as this one, but I love it when it happens. You have that big drop, a big red vector candle, and then for balance right to the very top, you know, and you want to trade it, you basically, for safety, just go up around to the top of the body candle. Those wicks are very hard to catch. These are the impossible bottoms and tops to catch. But if you kind of go up to the body of the candle, same here, like, you know, it basically came up. Obviously, it just didn't care. It just literally kept going. But this is just one of the indicators I like to keep an eye on and look. This would be something to keep an eye on. You can go down on what you call them, timelines and time frames, and you'll see them retracing. I hate the way it just scales the chart as well. But see that when you go down on the timeline, you see those red vector candles appearing a little bit more, and you can then, based on your time frame, look where that red vector candle ended and where the price of. Do you see it? Do you see how insane it is? I love this indicator. It's free. All you need, guys, is time. It's Trader's Reality. my go-to guy. I love him, love his energy, love his teachings. He's been with me from the day one, I think nearly as long as Tom, I think, if not longer, right to the very bloody top of that body. Obviously it wicked higher, you know, it went back for all that liquidity up here. But when you're day trading, and you know, don't be greedy, take that money, you know, it comes up to here. What's extra 5% if you've already done 100?